Hi everyone, welcome to Garden Time with Miss Rebecca. Today's topic is how to make cookie cutter bird feeder. Yesterday, we learned how to make an orange bird feeder. Today, we are going to learn how to make another kind of bird feeder to hang in our garden to attract birds. We are going to be making bird feeders using cookie cutters. For this activity, you will need birdseed, dried fruit, gelatin packets, cookie cutters, parchment paper or wax paper, twine, string or yarn, a mixing bowl, measuring cups, a saucepan, a whisk, spoons, and water. Now that we have all of our supplies gathered, we are ready to make our cookie cutter bird feeders. Follow along.
Step 1. Mix 1.5 cups bird seed and 1/4 cup dried fruit in a bowl. Step 2. Add a 1/2 cup of water and 2 gelatin packets to a saucepan. Whisk them together until completely dissolved and bring to a boil. Boil for about 2 minutes, then set aside to cool. Step 3. Add the cooled gelatin mixture to the birdseed mixture and stir. Step 4. Cut your pieces of twine. Step 5. Fill your cookie cutters with the birdseed mixture. About halfway through, put your twine in and then fill the rest of the cookie cutter with your birdseed mixture. Step 6. Let the birdseed mixture sit in the cookie cutters overnight. Step 7. Pop the hardened birdseed mixture out of the cookie cutter and hang them outside.
Now we know how to make our own cookie cutter bird feeders. Tune in tomorrow, and remember to take care of yourself, take care of your loved ones, and take care of your plants. Bye for now.